Jesus.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DeKalb County in north central Georgia until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Decatur, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Decatur, Clarkston, Stone Mountain, Avondale Estates, Latonia, Pine Lake, Belvedere Park, North Decatur, Candler McAfee, Druid Hills, North Druid Hills, Tucker, Belmont, Redan, Scottsdale, Kirkwood, Panthersville, East Lake, and Gresham Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Excuse me.
Significant weather advisory for North